Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing us how we can add a free gift message card. Let's say you're making an order for a friend or your mom, your dad, anyone at all, and you just want to write something like you want the gifts or whatever it is you're buying for them to be delivered to them with a little note from you. Temu can do that for you for free. You don't need to pay extra for it. Like, I really love this feature. I just found out about it and I thought to share it with us because I'm sure a lot of us do not know about it. So let me just show you where you can input your message and how you can get it done, okay? So just go to your carts, and once you're done checking everything you want to buy, click on the checkout. And once you click on the checkout, when you want to make your payment, as you're scrolling down, before you get to your payments area, you're going to be seeing this add a free gift message card. I'm sure most of us see it and we ignore it, or some don't even notice it. It's very easy to be ignored, okay? You click on the add a free gift message card, and yeah, you can learn more about it, okay? Let's see what they say about it. They say sellers offer complimentary cards for your gift message, which can be added to your package when preparing your order. So let's say you buy 10 items, and if these 10 items is from the same seller, of course the seller is going to be adding this message, whatever it is you type or whatever it is you want the seller to put in the gift card, he or she is going to type it. But if you order the 10 items from 10 different sellers, then each of them is going to be putting the gift card in their items as they package it. That's just what it is, okay? And of course they gave an instruction of what the message should be. It shouldn't be, with bad words and all that. You can read it up to understand more, okay? I don't want this video to be too long. Then the gift message, you can just type out whatever it is you need to be written on the card, and it shouldn't be more than 200 characters. Hope you enjoyed the gift is an example they gave, but then you can write anything you like, maybe from your lovely daughter, I love you, dad, whatever it is, anything. Just make sure it's no more than 200 characters because you have just 200 characters to use. And on the from, you can click from your friend, mom, dad, your sister, your brother, your daughter, your son, your aunt, your uncle, your grandma, your grandpa. I really love this. And you click on continue, and that's then you go ahead to make your payment. It's as easy as that. Once you make your payment, of course, when the package gets to the person, if you're making this order for a friend, not yourself, of course the address has to be your friend's address, not your own address, because it's going to your friend, okay? Except you want to receive it, then send it to your friend. Anyhow you want to do it, but just don't forget that if you're sending this package to someone else that is not you, don't forget to change your address, okay? So that you don't go ahead to receive the gift yourself and think you're sending it out to someone else. All right, so that is it. It's very easy. You don't need to pay extra for it, and they'll just impute it for you. I'm going to be trying this out, and when I get my complimentary card, I'll do a video to show us what it looks like, and if it's cute or not, I'll just let us know. Watch out for that video, okay? I'm surely going to do it. All right, for the codes that are displayed on the screen, those codes are for so many things. I have the code for free gifts. If you need free gifts, all you need to do is to type that code on the Temu search bar right here. Just type it FRS 127497 and then search it. Once you search, you're going to be offered free gifts. Just like now, I'm being offered 2 for €0, and if I go further, it might even be doubled, okay? So I have enough free gifts. You can use that code for your free gifts. I have the one for €100 coupon. The one for the €100 coupon, all you need to do is to search this code, okay? ACR 609164. And once you search it, for new app users, of course, you're going to be having the €100 coupon available to you. I also have the other code for exclusive discounts, ACY 077290. And here you have your exclusive deals, you have discounts, and just explore all the code I have, and you're going to be amazed at what you see. Okay, and the last one, of course, is the earn as an affiliate. If you're not earning as an affiliate yet on the Temu app, I'm a firm believer that if you're spending money on your Temu app, you need to be earning from it. Just type this code to start earning. SEC in capital letter 787028. That's just it. Type this number or type this code and search it, and it's going to sign you up automatically as an affiliate. And that's just it. All you need to do is to share your links to people, to groups, wherever. And anytime anybody uses your link to download the app or make an order, once they receive their order or once they're able to place an order after downloading the app, you get a sort of commission, okay? So don't sleep on this app. You can do it. Anyway, if you've watched to this point, thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye. And of course, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you have a comment or anything you want to ask me, you can ask me in the comment section. All right, see you in my next video. Bye.